Let's face it, there's nothing worse than a weak belt sander when you're trying to tame a rough piece of walnut. You fire it up, and instead of sanding like a champ, it skates around like a hockey puck. That's why today, we're diving deep into the best belt sanders for woodworking in 2025. No fluff, no gimmicks, just real talk on real tools. Whether you're building custom furniture or just fixing up your garage door, this list could save your project and your sanity. And hey, which one would you trust for your next big build? Let me know in the comments. The Beast, Makita 9403. Let's kick things off with a monster. The Makita 9403. This sander has been making waves for years, and in 2025, it's still holding its ground as a powerhouse. You've got an 11-amp motor paired with a massive 4x24 belt, making this thing perfect for pros who need to cover serious square footage. One swipe across the wood, and you'll feel the difference. Now, here's the twist. Despite all that power, it runs at just 84 decibels, which is quieter than most vacuums. Yep, that means no more waking up the whole neighborhood just to sand a workbench. And here's a little fun fact. Some pros say this is the last belt sander they'll ever buy. It's that reliable. It's a bit heavy, sure, but that weight gives you a natural downward force, so you don't need to press hard. Great for avoiding uneven finishes. If you're serious about quality, the Makita is like the Rolls-Royce of belt sanders, powerful, quiet, and long-lasting. But what do you think? Would you invest in a premium sander like this? Or stick to something simpler? Budget winner. WEN Belt Sander. Next up, let's talk about a true budget hero, the WEN Belt Sander. Now this one is proof that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a job well done. It's lightweight, has variable speed control, and works perfectly for beginners or occasional DIYers. Here's the fun part: often goes for under $80, and yet performs way above expectations. You'll find folks on Reddit raving about how it handled everything from pine boards to kitchen cabinets. Dust collection? Pretty decent for the price. And because it's not super heavy, it's great for vertical sanding, like when you're working on doors or even staircases. Of course, you won't be plowing through hardwoods like you would with a Makita, but for basic home improvement and hobby projects, this little guy gets the job done. If you've used the WEN, drop a comment below. Love it or hate it. We want to hear your story. Smart and simple. SKIL Belt Sander. Ever wish your belt sander came with a little extra intelligence? Meet the SKIL Belt Sander, one of the few tools with pressure control technology. Yep, you get a light-up indicator that tells you if you're pressing too hard. How cool is that? But it's not just a gimmick. Too much pressure can damage the wood or overheat the motor, and this feature helps you avoid that. It's especially useful for beginners, or if you're sanding expensive materials. Another win, SKIL's Auto Track System. That means the belt stays centered on its own, no constant tweaking while you work. Less fiddling, more sanding. And get this, some users report getting years of use out of this tool with minimal maintenance. It may not win a race against the Makita, but it's got a sweet balance of ease, intelligence, and affordability. Would you trade raw power for smarter features? Or is that pressure sensor just a fancy light? Sound off below. Reliable workhorse, CRAFTSMAN Belt Sander. Now let's talk about the CRAFTSMAN Belt Sander. Quiet MVP of many home workshops. Known for being rugged, balanced, and powerful enough for most home renovation tasks, this sander has earned a loyal following. It's packing a 7-amp motor, solid dust collection with a high-efficiency bag, and one of the most ergonomic handles in its class. That means less vibration and less wrist fatigue. What really stands out here is consistency. Whether you're flattening a butcher block or refinishing an old dresser, the CRAFTSMAN gives smooth, even results. It's not flashy, but it's dependable, and sometimes that's all you need. Fun story: one guy on a woodworking forum shared that he rebuilt his entire kitchen with this belt sander alone. Floors, counters, trim, and it's still running strong. So, would you go CRAFTSMAN for your next big DIY job? Or is it just too plain Jane for your taste? Alright, let's recap. Makita 9403. The quiet beast with pro-level power. WEN, the budget-friendly champ that punches above its weight. SKIL, smart, beginner-friendly, and loaded with cool features. CRAFTSMAN, rugged, reliable, and built to handle the grind. Which one fits your workshop? Are you all about brute force, budget value, smart tech, or old-school reliability? Let me know in the comments. And while you're at it, hit that like button, subscribe for more tool deep dives, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a drop. More woodworking gear, more honest reviews, and more reasons to make sawdust coming your way every week. Check the description and pinned comment for links to each sander, real-time prices, and special discounts. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep building, keep sanding, and stay sharp.